Okay, so here we are at the club level at Animal Kingdom Lodge. It is called the Kilimanjaro Club. That makes sense. So they've got your Coke products and things in the fridge here. Oh my gosh, what's in here? Oh, they've got the strawberry freezer pops. They've got lemonade, unsweetened iced tea. They've got all your sugars, things like that, half and half milk. They've got full set of twining teas. And they've got excuse me, sparkling water and premium filtered water. Regular coffee and decaf coffee. Oh my gosh, cookie butter syrup. Oh no, look, I'm just looking, I'm like, cookie butter, that's amazing. Salted caramel, an espresso coffee machine. Oh, I think they're like the guava pastries that we had at Polynesia. Chocolate chip cookies, muffins. And they've got pineapple, carrots, olives. It's like the end now, so it's going a little bit, but they have had celery, crackers, looks like some dips. They've got zoo animal crackers, goldfish, sun chips, they look nice, Doritos and Lay's, and then you can get your plates and things from there. And this is just really beautiful. There's also fruit over there, and the concierge desk is just there for club level guests. And this is where we are. Really, really pretty. Okay, so these are the appetizers. So we've got butter chicken over scented basmati rice, Sanar tomato soup and paneer cheese. It looks and smells delicious. And then they've got some fruit and sweet still. They've got the selection of beers around now. So you've got Blue Moon, Heineken. I'm sure there was Bud Light in here. Angry Orchard cider. It's open up as well. Super busy in here though at the minute. They've got wines, red wines and white wines. They've got the fridge like they had before. That's fully stocked with Coke products. Has this got anything extra in it at the minute? Oh no, it's not desserts yet, is it? Sorry, so that won't have it. It's not desserts yet. Lemonade and iced tea. They've got all the twinings and teas and coffees. They've got sparkling water and filtered water, regular coffee and decaf coffee, and they've got the Nespresso machine. And what I didn't realise before the Nespresso machine here is that they've got caramel Nespresso pods. I didn't have that at the other one. And they've got the cookie butter, which is a bit like the Lotus Biscoff Speculoos syrup. And they've got a salted caramel one, which is amazing, because I didn't have that at the other one. Then they've got, oh my gosh, look at that. That's peanut butter and jelly, which is like the Uncrustables, but they've thrown banana chips over them. Watermelon. A tabbouleh salad with shaved beef. That looks interesting. Okay. They've got mustard, sag dal ranch, and Boma mustard. North American cauliflower salad. That sounds nice. Cucumber, grape tomato and baby carrots. Sambal, Kalamata olives, Kalamata olive hummus, coriander hummus. 3 different types of hummus. Thank you. Doing the same. Yeah. Same time. Look at this side. Yeah, that sounds good, doesn't it? Assorted artisanal breads and crackers. Here, I couldn't say some of the seasonal compots. Lamb chopper cheese. That's a funny name, isn't it?
Style cheese, sun-dried tomato hummus,
Sea-hive, beehive cheese, prosciutto and blue affine. So I've gone the other way. But it's nice because they've got like the cheese and the prosciutto, the crackers, lots of hummus and carrots, lots of bit of like salady bits, the peanut butter and jelly, the tabbouleh salad, and then they've got like the hot things is like the butter chicken and the soup over there. So there's not like a lot of options. I think the Grand Floridian definitely had more options, but it's enough and it's some nice little options. Right, so this is the Animal Kingdom club level desserts. So we've got lemon rose cone. What's that one, Jaden? Oh, vanilla cone. They look really good.
They're so cute.
They do look really cute, don't they? Then there's, oh, carrot cake, which is gluten-free and vegan-friendly. Oh, berry tart. That looks good. And they've got chocolate chip cupcakes, oatmeal cupcakes, and then they've got a selection of fresh fruit. Then they should have, the lady said before they had ice creams. So let's have a look. Yeah, so it looks like they've got the ice cream cookie sandwich and Mickey premium bars. Then they've got lemonade, unsweetened iced tea, the teas and coffees and everything like they had before. Then now they've got cognac, they've got rum and coffee liqueur, they've got frangelico liqueur, they've got Gramania, and they've got cream liqueur. So this is the Kilimanjaro Lounge in Animal Kingdom Lodge. And this is the desserts. I'm calling it desserts, that's what it's called, isn't it? The dessert
the healthy
section.
desserts that haven't been touched.
Yeah. So there's bananas, huge oranges, and some nice little fresh apples. But nobody wants those. Who wants healthy desserts? Okay, so this is the breakfast assortment at Animal Kingdom Lodge Kilimanjaro Club. So they've got bran muffins. Looks like they've run out of blueberry muffins. What are they? Buttery croissants, chocolate chip muffins. No, what's that? That's like guava, isn't it, or something as well, I think. Something croissants, normal croissants. There's blueberries, melon, pineapple, grapes, strawberries. There's granola and Greek yogurt and honey. And then there's cheese, smoked salmon, hard-boiled eggs, and bone mustard. And what's on this one? Biscuit and sausage gravy. That looks nice. Vegetable bobotie. And ketchup. No, there's no sausage or biscuits to go, but there's biscuits and sausage gravy. There's your coffee machine again, like there was yesterday. Decaf coffee, normal coffee, sparkling water, filtered water, milks, all your Twinings teas, orange juice. Oh, they've got pog juice this morning, that's good, and cranberry juice. Still got ice cream bars. We've got milk, yogurt, and all the Coke products. Still got Mickey ice cream bars.
Good morning.
Fruit. Good morning.
Hello.
So they've got cereal as well. So they've got corn flakes, Fruit Loops, looks like bran flakes, like raisin bran. Oh, they've got croissants over here. So they've got butter, cream cheese, all different jams and stuff, oatmeal. Not quite sure what was in this one because it isn't there anymore. There was something in here. Okay, so we're back in the club room at Animal Kingdom Lodge. This is the Kilimanjaro Club, and this is their daytime snacks. So
There's no plates.
fruit. Okay, I'll have a look in a minute for you. So there's fruit, bananas, apples, oranges. There's some like Starburst sweets in there. That's cute, isn't it? And they've got Coke product drinks, Minute Maid. They've got ice cream cookie sandwiches, premium bars, strawberry bars, lemonade, unsweetened iced tea, all the Twining teas, sparkling water, filtered water, regular coffee, decaf coffee. They've got the same syrups that they've had before, an espresso machine, and they seem to have the same pastries. The only problem there is like nothing's labelled. So they're like the same guava pastries they had this morning. That was like bran and raisin muffin, I think, because I remember that from the Polynesian. That looks like a blueberry muffin, a chocolate chip muffin, chocolate chip cookies. Then they've got sag dal ranch with celery, carrots, hummus, olives, Kilimanjaro club mix and crackers. And they've got Uncrustables, animal crackers, goldfish, crisps, and whole grain chip things. And there's no plates here. No knives and forks, is there either? So that's not really a great selection really there at all, because that's just literally crisps and crackers. And then they've got a tiny little bit of carrot, celery and stuff, but there's no plates at the minute, so I'll have to try and find some plates in a minute.